From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed at the stars. We wondered about those tiny points of light. What were they? How far away? Were we alone? These questions sparked our imagination. They led us to tell stories. These stories became science fiction. Science fiction is a mirror. It reflects our hopes and fears about the universe. It asks big questions about our place in the cosmos. But science fiction is more than just entertainment. It is a powerful tool. It inspires us to explore the unknown. Science fiction and science are intertwined. They feed off each other. Science fiction takes inspiration from scientific theories. It then pushes those theories to their limits. In doing so, it often predicts future technologies. Sometimes it even inspires real scientific breakthroughs. Science fiction has a remarkable track record. It often predicts the future of science. Jules Verne imagined submarines and trips to the moon. He did this long before they were possible. His stories made people think, could we really build such amazing machines? Today we have submarines that explore the deepest oceans. We have sent people to the moon. Science fiction helped us to imagine these possibilities. It made them seem a little less impossible. It fueled our desire to turn fiction into reality. Science fiction has even played a role in shaping our language. Words like robot and cyberspace came from science fiction stories. These words are now commonplace. They show how deeply science fiction has permeated our culture. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a staple of science fiction. From helpful robots to menacing computers, AI has captured our imaginations. We wonder, can machines think? Can they feel? What does it mean to be human in an age of intelligent machines? In the real world, AI is rapidly developing. We have computers that can beat chess grandmasters. We have self-driving cars. While these machines are impressive, they are still a long way from the sentient AI of science fiction. However, the ethical questions raised by science fiction remain relevant. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we must consider its impact on society. Will AI be a force for good or ill? Science fiction encourages us to confront these challenging questions. Space travel is another cornerstone of science fiction. The vastness of space, with its countless stars and planets, fills us with awe. It makes us dream of exploring new worlds. Science fiction gives us a glimpse of what these worlds might be like. While we haven't yet reached another star system, we have made incredible strides in space exploration. We have sent probes to distant planets. The International Space Station circles our planet, a testament to human ingenuity. Science fiction inspires us to keep pushing the boundaries of space exploration. It reminds us that there is still so much out there to discover. The universe is vast, and our journey has just begun. Section 5. Turning Back Time, a scientific puzzle. Time travel is a particularly mind-bending concept. The idea of journeying through time, of witnessing historical events or glimpsing the future, is both exhilarating and terrifying. Science fiction explores the paradoxes and possibilities of time travel. While time travel remains firmly in the realm of fiction, Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time is not absolute. It can be affected by gravity and speed. This means that time travel, while improbable, may not be entirely impossible. Science fiction allows us to explore the philosophical implications of time travel. What would it mean for our understanding of free will if we could change the past or see the future? These questions challenge our assumptions about the nature of reality. Section 6. Rewriting Life. The power of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a powerful tool. It allows us to manipulate the very building blocks of life. Science fiction explores both the benefits and dangers of this technology. It asks, how far should we go in our quest to improve ourselves? In the real world, genetic engineering is already making significant contributions to medicine and agriculture. We are developing gene therapies to treat diseases. We are creating genetically modified crops to increase food production. Science fiction reminds us that genetic engineering is a double-edged sword. While it holds immense potential for good, it also carries risks. We must proceed with caution, carefully considering the ethical implications of our actions. Section 7. Imagining the impossible, inspiring the future. Science fiction has a remarkable power. It inspires us to dream big. It encourages us to imagine the impossible, and in doing so, it often paves the way for the future. Many scientific breakthroughs were once considered science fiction. They seemed impossible until someone dared to dream them into reality. The line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred. What was once confined to the pages of books is now becoming possible. Space tourism, artificial limbs controlled by thought, and personalized medicine based on our DNA are just a few examples. Science fiction reminds us that the future is not predetermined. It is shaped by our choices, our actions, and our imaginations. By daring to dream big, by embracing the spirit of scientific inquiry, we can create a future that surpasses even our wildest imaginations. Section 8. From science fiction to reality, the blurring lines. We are living in an age of accelerating technological advancement. Things that were once considered science fiction are becoming our everyday reality. Smartphones, video calls, and virtual reality headsets were all once the stuff of science fiction. Now, we take them for granted. Science fiction often serves as a roadmap for future technologies. It inspires scientists and engineers to turn fictional concepts into reality. For example, the iconic communicator from Star Trek inspired the development of the flip phone. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more science fiction concepts become reality. Self-driving cars, personalized medicine, and even space tourism are all within the realm of possibility in the coming decades. Section 9. Keep looking up. The universe awaits. Science fiction reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. It encourages us to look up at the stars with wonder and to never stop exploring the universe around us. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. It is a canvas for our imaginations. So the next time you read a science fiction book or watch a science fiction film, don't just enjoy the story. Think about the science behind it. Let your imagination soar. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one to turn the science fiction of today into the science fact of tomorrow. The universe is waiting to be explored. Go forth and discover its secrets.